Welcome to another series of Grow with Kinara. Today, we'll explore how to save money for your children's education. As busy parents, we often prioritize business and trading, overlooking other crucial aspects. In Grow with Kinara, we focus on being proactive in areas beyond business. Today's topic is vital because every parent wants their child to receive a good education. It's essential to start saving now to ensure you're financially prepared for your child's future education expenses. Let's take a look at the costs of popular courses in India. Engineering, 10 to 15 lakhs; medical, 30 to 80 lakhs; MBA, 20 to 40 lakhs; law, 5 to 15 lakhs; chartered accountant, 3 to 10 lakhs. These figures include not only the course fees but also additional expenses like tuition fees. Planning early is key, as education costs can be substantial. For instance, if you need to save 20 lakhs and your child is 1 year old, you'd need to invest 3,700 rupees monthly. If they're 5, it increases to 6,000 rupees, and so on. Starting early allows you to save smaller amounts consistently and accumulate a significant corpus over time. When it comes to investments, there are various options. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, a government scheme for girl children offering a tax-free return of 7.6%. Mutual funds, historically offering good returns, around 10 to 15%, but with some risk. Fixed deposits and recurring deposits, offered by banks, with returns ranging from 7 to 9%. Public Provident Fund, PPF, offers a tax-free return of 7.8% with a 15-year lock-in period. To build a 20 lakh education corpus, consider a mix of these investments based on your child's age and the time horizon. For example, for younger children, you can invest more in mutual funds, while for older children, fixed deposits and recurring deposits might be more suitable. Additionally, consider other educational support options such as summer camps and online learning apps like Agastya app, which offer engaging educational content for children. Lastly, don't forget about scholarships, education loans, and tax breaks available for education expenses. By exploring these options and planning ahead, you can secure a bright future for your child's education. To delve deeper into these topics, watch the recording of our recent Grow with Kinara workshop, where we discussed these strategies in detail.